Model, 67-plate Citroen Relay 35L3 BlueHDi 130 6-speed Luton box van Euro 6 head gasket. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 114,758. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs fine. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,450 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.